On this video today, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to make money on Autopilot with affiliate marketing using Digistore24. As you can see on your screen, I've been able to generate $183.06. You can see yesterday I made $207.18, and you can see on 10th I made $134.09. You can see right here $104.27. This method that I'm about to show you is beginner friendly, and the best part is that you can use it wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you're going to create your Digistore24 accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to just click right here. Once you click here, you are going to click on the marketplace so that you can find products to promote. So just click right here, marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, these are categories of digital products that you can promote to earn money on Digistore24. You can see a whole lot of them. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you one of these products so that you can promote it to make money on Digistore24. So we are going to be promoting this product right here, Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. This is a high converting product that you can promote on Digistore24. As you can see, currently it is ranking number 1 in terms of sales on Digistore24. You can see right here, if you promote this product and get a sale, you are going to be earning 85% commission. You can see in terms of money, you're going to be earning $26.27, as you can see it right here. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to begin promoting this product. If you are not familiar with the product, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, sales page, so that you can look at the landing page of the product. Once you click on the sales page, you are going to see a page like this. This is the first page that your potential customer is going to see before they decide to buy the product. As I scroll down, you can see this is the landing page. What they have to do is that they have to watch this particular sales video. Once they watch the video, if they like the product, they are going to purchase it for you to make money. So the next step is that we are going to be driving traffic to this particular landing page so that we can get people to buy the product for us to earn money. You have to come back to Digistore24. Once you come back to Digistore24, what you have to do is that just click right here, promote, so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on promote, you are going to see your affiliate link right here. So this is the link that you have to promote. But what we are going to be doing in this video is that we are not going to promote direct link. We are going to build a landing page so that we can be able to capture the email of our potential customers. So once we capture their emails, we can then send them the link of the product. So even if they don't purchase it at the first time, we can send them another email reminding them about the product. Once we remind them for the second time, they might purchase the product for us to make money. So we are going to build a simple landing page so that we can begin promoting the offer. To build a landing page, you need a landing page builder. There are a lot of different softwares that you can use to build your landing page. Most of them you have to pay before you can get access, but you can use this one right here, system.io. This particular software allows you to create a free account. So once you get up to 2,500 subscribers, you can then pay for the premium version. So you can just come right here, enter your email right here. You don't need to add your credit card details. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to get access to a free account so that you can begin using it to create your landing pages. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. This is my demo account. You can see I already have 1 subscriber, as you can see. So once you get subscribers, you are going to see the data right here. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to create a landing page. To create a landing page, just click right here, funnels. Once you click on that, just come right here, click on create. Once you click on create, you are going to give a name to your landing page. So in this case, I'm just going to type test 2. Once that is done, you can see build an audience, sell product, you can see custom. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to select build an audience. Once you select that, you are going to scroll down, click on create. Once you click on create, you are going to see a page like this. Just come right here, you can see thank you, just delete it. Since we are using a free account, we are not allowed to send email automation, so it is useless to have a thank you page. So just click on it and then delete it. As you can see, that has been deleted. Once you delete the thank you page, you can scroll down and select any of these templates. These are landing page templates that you can select and then add your own information. So you are going to scroll down and then select the one that you like. I'm going to be using this one right here. If you want to preview it, you can just click right here, previews. I don't want to do that. I just want to select it so that I can show you how to edit the information and then add your own information. Once you select the template, you are going to give a name to it. So just delete the name right here. Once you delete it, we are going to type the product name here. It doesn't matter because you are the only one who is going to see this particular name. So whatever name that you type here, it is valid. Once you type the name, just click right here, save, so that you can save the name of your landing page. Once that is done, you are going to come right here, click on edit page so that you can edit the template and then add your own information to it. Once you click on edit, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to begin editing this particular text and then add your information to it. So just delete it and then type your own text. Delete everything. Once you delete everything, you are going to type your own information right here. You don't have to paste any text here. What you have to do is that you have to check the main product landing page so that you can get some information and then paste it here. As you can see, I've been able to come out with this particular text. So just highlight everything. Once you highlight it, you can click right here bold so that the text will be bold. As you can see, that has been done. The next thing is that you can add different colors to it. This one, for example, you can just highlight it, click right here so that you can change the color of that particular text. Once you click on it, you can see the color right here. Just select any color that you want. As you can see, that has been done. The next thing is that I'm going to highlight this particular text and then change the color. So just click right here so that you can change the color. Just select any color that you want. As you can see, you can change the color like this. Once that is done, you can see there's a subheading right here. So you have to edit this particular text so that you can enter your own information. So you just delete the text right here. You can see sign up now to get access to our landing page. You don't want that. What we are going to do is that we are going to type sign up now to download your free keto recipe. Once that is done, you are going to leave the name field. You can see the email field. You are also going to leave it like that. The next one is that you are going to come right here. You can change the background of this particular text. So just click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to be highlighted. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see the color right here. You can change it. So just click on it and then select the color that you want. As you can see, there are different colors that you can select. So I prefer this particular color right here. Once that is done, you are also going to change the background image. We are promoting a keto product. So what we have to do is that you have to get an image that is related to what we are promoting so that we can use it as a background image. To get free images, you are going to come on this website, pexels.com. This website allows you to download free stock videos and photos, so you can use them for anything that you want. You are not going to get any copyright strike. So once you're on the website, just type keto so that you can get a free image to use. So just search for keto. Once you search for keto, you can see there are different images that you can use for free. You can see a whole lot of them. So just select one of them and use it as your background image. I'm going to select this one right here. So you just come right here, click on download so that you can download it onto your PC. Once you download the image, you are going to come back and then click on settings so that you can upload the image as your background. Once you click on settings, you are going to scroll down. You can see background image. Just click right here so that you can upload your image. Once you click on upload, you are going to click right here, select file so that you can select the image that you downloaded. Now what you are going to do is that just select your image. Once you select it, click on open so that it will be uploaded right here. As you can see, this is the image. Just click right here, insert, so that you can insert the image as your background. As you can see, this is the background. You can see the image is so large. What we are going to do is that we are going to change it because this is not nice. So you just come back, click on settings so that you can upload a different image. As you can see, I have uploaded a different image. You can see the background is blurred. So what you have to do is that you have to just come right here. You can see repeat. So you just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to come right, select fill 100%. So just click on that. As you can see, that has been done. You have to drag the blur backwards so that the image can appear well. Once you enter your information, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then come right here. Just put your pointer right here and then click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to come right here. You can see show pop-up. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select open URL. So just select that. Once that is done, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. So what we want to do is that we want to get people to get access to the product that we are promoting. Once they enter the required details right here and then click on get access now, they are going to be directed to the product that we are promoting so that they can decide whether to buy it or not. So what you have to do is that you have to delete this particular link. Just highlight and then delete this particular link. Once you delete the template link, you are going to come right here and then highlight and copy your affiliate link. So just highlight and copy your affiliate link right here. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back to the landing page and then paste it right here. As you can see, this is my affiliate link. You can see my name right here. Once you enter all the details, the next step is that you are going to preview it so that you can look at how your landing page is going to appear to your potential visitors. So just come right here. You can see preview, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is how your landing page is going to appear to your potential visitor. You can see it right here. This is your landing page. This is just a preview. So what you have to do is that you have to come back to your landing page. Once you come back, what you have to do is that you are going to click right here, save changes, so you can save all the changes that you've made. Once that is done, you can come right here, click on the mobile icon right here, so that you can see how your landing page is going to appear to people who are using mobile. You can see it right here. This is how it is going to appear to people who will see your landing page on a mobile device. When you come here, you can see the desktop version. You can see this is the desktop version. Now, once you save everything, you are going to click right here, exit. Once you click on exit, you are going to see a page like this. If you are using the free version, you can create email automation. So what you have to do is that you have to wait. If you get people to enter their emails, you can then come right here, click on emails. Once you click on it, you select campaigns so that you can begin sending them emails. If you have a premium account, you can just come right here and then set your email automation. So once you get people to enter their emails, you are going to be sending them emails automatically. But this is a free account, you can create email automation. So what you have to do is that you have to just come right here, click on this particular icon so that you can copy your landing page link. Once you copy it, you are going to paste it on a new tab so that you can see how it looks like. As you can see, this is the landing page that we have created. So now the next step is that we are going to find a traffic source whereby we can get people to enter their names, email address, and then click right here so that they can get access to the product that we are promoting. So once we get them to enter the details and then get access to the product, some of them are going to buy the product the same day, some of them are not going to buy it. Once we have captured their emails, we can send them another email reminding them of the product. So once we remind them, some of them can buy the product when we remind them. So we have to find a quality traffic source so that we can get a lot of sales. Once you have finished building your landing page, you are going to search for this website, state of the art mailer. Once you search for that, you can see it right here, state of the art mailer system. So just click on that. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see everything, this website, they allow you to send emails to people for free. You can see they have about 30,000 members that you can send your email for free. So you are going to be sending the link to your landing page to the members on this website for free. You are not required to pay for anything. So what you have to do is that you have to come right here, enter your first name, enter your last name, enter your email address, password, verify your password, click here, I'm not a robot, so that you can sign up for your free accounts. So I'm going to log in to show you more. Once you create your accounts, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here, they want you to get some points, so just click right here, no thank you, so that you can proceed. Once you click on no thank you, you can see they are promoting another website to use. Just come right here, click on continue to the members areas. Once you click on that, you can see they are advertising something right here. They want you to buy traffic, so just ignore all of this and then scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see no thank you. Just click on that so that you can proceed to the next step. Once you click on that, you are going to see a page like this. Just come right here, click on advertise. Once you click on that, you are going to select send email ad. Once you click on that, you are going to see a page like this. Just scroll down to the button. You can see right here, as a free member, you can send your email to 500 members for free without paying for anything. So just click on it so that you can begin sending your emails. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here, enter your ad URL. So this is where you are going to paste the link to your landing page. You have to come back to system.io. Once you come back, you are going to click right here so that you can copy the link of your landing page. Once you copy it, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste it, you can see this is your link. So you have to test whether the link is working or not. So just come right here, paste the same link. Once you paste it, you are going to click right here, test URL first. As you can see, this is our landing page, so it means it is working. So now what we have to do is that we have to go ahead and then publish it. So just come back, click right here, submit URL. Once you click on that, you can see please wait. You have to wait for some time so that they can check whether your URL is saved. As you can see, please wait 7 seconds more. Once you wait for it, you can see the URL is saved. So you are going to click right here, proceed. So just click on it. Once you click on proceed, you can see right here, you are going to enter the subject of your email. So you are going to say something that will get people to click through your email and then get access to the product that you are promoting. As you can see, this is my subject, get a free keto meal plan now. You can see right here, this is the body of my message. So you are going to write something simple like this. Once you have your message, you are going to scroll down right here. You can click here, preview, so that you can preview to see how your email is going to appear to the visitors. As you can see, this is how it is going to appear. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to send this particular email to the 500 people so that we can get them to enter their details to get access to the product. So just click right here, send email now. Once you click on send email now, you can see mail complete. Your email has been placed in queue and will be sent shortly. So your email is in queue now. It is going to be sent to the members. So once it is sent to the members, you are going to get some of them to enter the details. Once they enter the details, they are going to see your link. If they click on it and then buy the product, you are going to be earning money on Digistore24. Apart from state of the art mailer, you can also come on Facebook and then search for keto groups so that you can join those groups and then promote your landing page. So just come right here, just search for keto. Once you search for keto on Facebook, you can see there are many groups that you can join. You can see this group right here. It has 273k members. You can see the second one has 1.6 million members. The third one has 21k members. If you click on more, you can find many other groups that you can join to promote your landing page. So I'm just going to use this one right here to demonstrate for you to see. So just click on the name of the group. Once you click on the group, you're going to see a page like this. As you can see, many people are posting different things on this group. You can see a whole lot of them. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to begin promoting our landing page on this group. So just click right here, write something. Once you click on write something, you are going to see a page like this. So what you have to do is that you have to write the title of your post right here. So just type something like this: get free keto meal plan now. Once that is done, you are going to paste your message here. So just type a message like this. As you can see, this is my simple message. Once you have your message, the next step is that you are going to type your call to action right here. As you can see, click here to get the keto plan now. So now what you have to do is that you have to paste the link to your landing page right here. As you can see, this is the link to the landing page. So the next step is that you are going to add an image to it. So just come right here, click on this particular icon. As you can see, this is the image that I've added. You can see this image right here. So now once you have your image, your link, your message, the next step is that you are going to click right here, post, so that your post can go live to the members, and you are going to get most of them to take the necessary action for you to make money on Digistore24. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.